This project is a big deal. It is a $40 million construction project where they will build a state-of-the-art hangar facility.
This is a tremendous facility, probably one of the very best that's being built. One of the beautiful things about this hangar is that each bay holds an airplane. Not only can we put 3 airplanes in the hangar, 3 wide-body airplanes in the hangar, we can hold 3 to 4 wide bodies outside here. This facility triples our abilities and capabilities over our current hangar. Over here, we have a double bay for GSC. We have 65 brand new vehicles that were serviced in-house here at CVG. To be able to do that work inside our own GSC shop is amazing service. We take care of our own vehicles. They're done in-house, they're done quickly. We have 3 planning offices, 1 planning office for each bay. That allows us to have excellent paperwork and flow control for the work inside that bay. Probably the best piece of this is the customer lounges and office space. We have opportunities now to bring our customer in. They get a place to do their work while they're waiting for their airplane to be returned to them. They have so many possibilities that are opening up to CVG that weren't here just a few months ago with the advent of this building. The amount of work that's coming through here in the next 15 or 20 years is tremendous. I anticipate that when this facility is up and running and fully staffed, we'll have over 200 aviators working here at this facility. One of the most brilliant decisions that we made was the A&P school. We're anticipating that school to deliver up to 100 technicians a semester or a year. Our partnership with Epic Flight Academy is turning out to be a very wise decision. We came to the conclusion that the 777 is the cargo airplane of the future. We redesigned the center bay of this hangar to be able to accommodate a Group 5 airplane. So we are positioned for the next 10 to 15, 20 years, the premier service provider here at CVG with big airplanes. When we cut the ribbon on this facility, we are a different company. We will now have the ability to respond to our customers' demands almost immediately, whether it's line maintenance, base heavy maintenance, airframe modifications, major repair and recovery, aircraft conversions. We can do it all, one-stop shop right here at CVG. So by having this space and the ability to take an airplane in on demand, scheduled or unscheduled, and return that back to them as fast as possible is the best thing we can ever offer our customer. We are so looking forward to the ribbon cutting ceremony. The future of aviation is right here at CVG.